Summer's just round the corner. Time to get the pruners out. This is Nicholas Stadden with Monrovia Nursery, talking to you about how to prune a gardenia bush. You've had 1,000,001 things to do around the house, and the one thing that you've forgotten about is pruning your gardenia bush. It's really easy. This variety we have here is a beautiful plant called First Love, and we all remember our first love. So the one thing we need to prune our gardenias is a pair of good sharp pruners. It's a great bush, healthy, green. She's even got a few buds, but we need to get the shape on her. So as before, we find where the leaves break and we go about 1 inch above and clip. We're going to probably take about 50% of the plant off in order to make her really bushy and full. Remember, always prune at an angle. Get those clippers going. Oh, she goes. This is just lovely. Even the plant's enjoying it. A little bit more on this one and one more spot here. So this is what we're looking for, a nice evenly shaped bush. And gardenias respond very well to pruning. They will flush with all the new green growth and quickly start to bud up, giving you weeks and weeks of long, sweet summer blooms. So it's easy, it's not hard. Good sharp pruners and you can have a wonderful bush that just blooms and blooms and blooms all summer. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery on how to prune a gardenia bush.